Welcome children, this is your mentor Mrs. Mohonia. So let's continue with our chapter number 10, that is cyber threats and security. So for today, your subtopics are biometrics and cookies. What is this biometrics? Well, biometrics is the safest method to give authorization rights to an individual. In biometrics, a person is verified by means of his or her unique biological or physical characteristics. Here it identifies a person by retinal scan, by fingerprints, or it can be voice recognition. So, this data of a person are saved in a database. So, when a person tries to access the system, the new data put by him is matched with the saved data. And if it is matching, then only a person is allowed to access the system. So next is cookies. Now what actually is cookies? Cookies are a little document that contains helpful information about you and your preference. For example, when you select any language while filling a form on a website, you choose English. The website will save that information in a little document called as cookie on your computer. So next time when you visit the same site again, that means the site would be able to read the cookie and get the information that was saved earlier. And the site will automatically select your language as English. So let's understand what is cookies now here. A cookie is a text message given to a web browser by a web server. The web browser saves this user specific data in a text file, and this text file is called as a cookie. Cookie, being a safe document, may also produce harmful consequences if read by an unauthorized person. It is advised to delete the cookies periodically so as to avoid any kind of privacy threat. This is Google Chrome web browser. So we'll go for settings and we'll choose privacy and security. After this, here you can see clear history cookies over here. So I'll click on it. These are the cookies on my device. As I've told you that cookies are safe document, but you need to delete them. The reason why, they can produce harmful consequences if it has been read by an unauthorized person. So it is advised to delete the cookies so as to avoid any kind of privacy threat, especially when you are using on a public computer, when you are using a public computer. Why? Because hackers can use these cookies to gain access to the sensitive information of yours, and which can be misused to commit further crimes. So here you can clear this data. We'll click on clear data. So whatever cookies are there, that will be cleared from my device. Let's recapitulate what we have just learned. In biometrics, a person is verified by means of his or her unique biological or physical characteristics. And a cookie is a text message given to a web browser by a web server. And the web browser saves this user specific data in a text file. And this file is called as a cookie. So my children, thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe and go digital. Thank you. God bless you.